How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix micro lags in FiveM. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure to lower down your settings because it can actually relate with our computer resources. So if your Grand Theft Auto isn't getting enough resource, it will start to slow the game down. So just make sure to slightly or lower down the overall settings of your game to see if that works. If not, you want to head over to your Steam, your Epic Games, or just where your Grand Theft Auto is located. In my case, I'm going to be navigating through my Steam right here. Simply look at your Grand Theft Auto, right click on it, click on Properties, and then you just want to click on the installed files, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will try to fix if something is wrong with your game. This will remove all of the corrupted files, bugs, and glitches that might seem to cost for the micro lags. And the last thing that we want to do is to make sure that our drivers is up to date. Now that specific driver is going to be the graphics driver, mainly responsible for handling the graphics of our game. So you just want to simply type your graphics card brand. In my case, I'm using the NVIDIA. I'll search for NVIDIA drivers. Head over to the official website of your graphics card driver and then just look for the right product. In my case, I'm using the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Click find, then you want to download and install the latest version of drivers on your computer. This will go ahead and simply optimize your graphics card playing newer games like Grand Theft Auto 5, because when your graphics card is actually outdated, it will not be as compatible with the latest game on the market. So just make sure that your graphics card is updated and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.